Let's do a rapid fire ranking of novels by Sarah J. Maas. I'm about to be roasted in the comments. As a caveat, these rankings are relative. These are all good books. All right, C tier, we have House of Flame and Shadow and the first two Throne of Glass books. House of Flame and Shadow has to be at the bottom because by far it has the largest gap between expectation and delivery. And the first two Throne of Glass books are the weakest in the series, but it's all up from there. Moving up to B, we have A Court of Thorns and Roses and House of Breath and Sky. I think ACOTAR suffers from some first half pacing issues, while House of Breath and Sky is hard carried by the rune plotline and the ending twist. If you ask me anything else about this book, I couldn't tell you. Rounding out B, we have Heir of Fire and Tower of Dawn. Heir of Fire is really where the Throne of Glass series starts to get some legs, and Tower of Dawn is a good self-contained story, but as a penultimate book of the series, it does feel like a bit of a side quest. At the bottom of A tier, I'm going A Court of Silver Flames and House of Earth and Blood. I really enjoyed the mix of urban and traditional fantasy in Crescent City, and to me, this introduction to Lunathian was the standout in the series. Then we have A Court of Wings and Ruin, Queen of Shadows, and Empire of Storms. Now, A Court of Wings and Ruin, I think, did everything it needed to pay off the series, but it didn't stun me into an S tier rating. Now, Queen of Shadows and Empire of Storms are where Throne of Glass really hits full tilt, and we start to get some incredible payoff from the groundwork of the earlier books. That and the end of Empire of Storms is just jaw-dropping. Moving up to S tier, the Masterworks. It has to include A Court of Mists and Fury. This is the book that brings Prithian to life with the exploration of the Night Court and the Summer Court, and the true introduction of everybody's favorite characters. And finally, in my humble opinion, the best book by Sarah J. Maas is Kingdom of Ash. The culmination of the plot lines of Aelin and Manon, Maeve, Kaol, Erewhon, and the entire cast is wonderfully done, is a satisfying payoff, and does justice to the buildup of the entire series.